can see it.
Okay, I'll be sharing questions also on the group in order. If you can't be able to see it very clear here, then it means you can log into the group and review what we have sent, because it's very important to know the questions that we're going to deal with. So as far as we're concerned, let's say we've got this kind of equation. Wait. We're doing a revision of everything that we have covered. The first question there that we're going to deal with. So now, let's say the question is like this. Rearrange the question. I'm rearranging it so that it can be visible. Even now you can see.
That's the question.
Okay, let me remunerate it. Seems like people can't see. How about now? Okay, let's start to answer this question. The question says, answer the questions. Those are the ones will follow under this one. They say answer the questions. (1.1 to 1.5) by choosing the correct answer. Cycle the letter next to the corresponding answer. Are we good? They said which of the option below contains rational number? What are the rational number, by the way? And if you know, refer as the rational number. Which one contains a rational number? You must reply so that we move fast. What is the rational number, by the way? Ronifunza izvo zvithu zvadzi rational number zvambovewa varakavewe ndezvimwe zvithu zvituku zvinani zviti. What are the rational numbers? One, Rory, what is a rational number?
Rational number is the rational number.
No, zvonzvo wawa ndichitoda unifunza face to face hedzi vani. Anokuvara. What do you understand by rational number? Rational numbers are what? Let's define rational numbers. Is it A? Let's check. 1 over 4. When you press 1 over 4 on your calculator and you say SD, what do you get? Hello? Anyone? I mean, each place the 1 over 4 calculator everyone. 0,
0.25.
0.25, right?
Eh.
Then when you press square root of 4 over 0 is undefined. Zombori, this one is not a rational number. Then with this one already is not a rational because this one after comma it has got many different values, right? This one is undefined, it's not a rational number, it's non-real, those things that have got undefined. And what about this? It means this is our, this means our D is the one which is our rational number.
Yes, I'm good.
Eh.
Our good. So press negative square root of 1. Don't just agree. You must ask us why are we saying that? You guys, you're just agreeing. So in order, can you press 5 times 8 plus 1? You get what? And then we're changing that to a fraction. 5 times 8 plus 1, you get 41. Eh? And 41 over 8 is nothing but 5,125. So after comma, if we've got a 3 number, this is 5,125. We've got 3 numbers. This is also a rational. If it was irrational, we were going to have different numbers after comma. Are we good? Many. So this is also a what? A rational number. Are we still together?
Yeah.
Okay. So they say to simplify 10, 100 p squared to the power b. What do we get? What do we do? Do we add the exponents? No. We add the exponent when we are subtracting, when we are multiplying things that have got the same base. Are we good?
Yeah.
Do we subtract the exponent? No, we subtract the exponent if we add the exponent if we've got these guys. That's why you say this is wrong. And we subtract the exponent if we've got this.
Eh.
Are we good?
Yes.
So now, as far as we're concerned, again, we're going to have what? Do we multiply the exponent? Hmm?
Da.
Do
Barry.
we multiply the exponent? Yes, we multiply the exponent because this one is going to be to the power b and p to the power 2 multiplied by b. We have multiplied the what? The exponent. This thing you are going to learn it until you reach your grade 12 of multiplying the exponent. Are we satisfied now?
Yeah.
Then we'll proceed.
Yeah.
So now, let's go to the next question and see. In grade 8 and grade 9, you simplify same thing. simplify same thing. It's just that you guys, you don't study. Let's go to the questions and stop doing multiple choice. And on multiple choice, we'll come back on it. Is it visible, this one?
Eh.
So let's see. They say evaluate. They say evaluate. It means when you evaluate, you are going to get what?
Calculate.
Do you know what do you do? You press 4/5 minus 1/3 minus 1/15 on your calculator. Then you remunerate the solution.
B.
You get your solution is what?
2/5.
Get B. Then we come here, subtract 3/9A from. In other words, they mean A/9 minus 3/9A. This is like 1/9A. Is that so?
Yeah.
Then what do you get?
You wanna 2/9. 2/9. 9.
A.
Negative.
Number is C.
Eh.
Is
Eh.
that so?
Eh.
Then we've got what? They say which equation below shows the correct use of the commutative property. Do you know the commutative? Do you still remember? The commutative is our A. And commutative A plus B must be equals to B plus A. Are we fine? Can we proceed? Hello? Hello? Repanda. Guys, Repanda. You must unlock your mic and reply. Let's go to this question. So can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can switch.
So as far as we're concerned, it means we're going to have what? They say consider the following numbers and then answer the question below. We're given this 2 whole number, 3 over 4 and minus 0,234 and square root of negative 1664 and 3 root negative 64 and 5 over 0 and 90. The question says from the list write down. Let's write a prime number. Let's write the prime. What do you understand by the prime number? What do you understand by the prime number?
It's the number. It's number 19.
It's number 19.
Did you answer the question, you guys? I said, what do you understand? What is a prime number, by the way? Good people, what is a prime number? So, motho a re defining
So
prime number,
it
in
also
meaning.
the prime number is natural numbers that are greater than 1.
Yes, until to infinity. Ne? So they move with they move by the distance of 1. Are we good? So what is our prime number there?
19.
19. So what is the square number there on the equation? Square number. Do you know what is a square number? It's the number that when you put it on the square root, it will give you a number without a comma. Are we fine? So what is that number? What is that number?
I see Q square n only
64.
60.
Square root
And
of
yeah,
64 is 8. How good?
yeah,
Or we can say a square number is a number that can be written to the power of 2. So if you press your calculator, you said 64 equals to, you said shift, fact, you will get that it will write 2 to the power 6, but you need to the power 2. It means it can be what? Any number that you can put inside the square root is that's all, and give you a, they say an undefined number. Undefined number is what? 5 over 0. We are not allowed to divide by 0. Are we still together?
yeah,
And they say a non-real. A non-real, we don't have a square root of negative. Did you see that?
yeah.
A rational number is negative 0,234. They say like this is continuing. Did you get it?
Yeah. Nakombera vai kadhiwa.
All right. And then
Da
Yamba Chivendari,
endeyamba chivenda.
mara zvokuti nevanongoshumisa language ipi.
Ndishumisa Chisuthu na Chikuwa.
Ndowene mfanga tuhumwe. Ndowene mfanga tuhumwe rai. Mfambasa kumwe kukaranga kwenda kuona umwe vidio. Mara chikodawo nechivenda nandi.
Chikadhidha zvitukutuku.
Okay, and then chidosvika chivenda. Chivenda chatakadzana. Oh. Nopedza repanda. Abezi question dzimwe question dzika group uti so chabewo zvambori vari kuwrite ro mwara dzi solution question ndodziwana kami club group.
Okay.
You agree that we have to continue, ne?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Zivani, nichoone musi. Abe dzinalanda kutuma nepinyina wakafana.
Una.
Una rime. Morena. Okay, all right. So they say that determine the prime factors of 324. Karabo, do you still remember the prime factors?
No.
Okay. Andani, do you still remember the prime factors?
The prime factor I'm still remember it a little bit.
Okay, a little bit. Okay. So now, let's do solution. Maybe during solution, you will be remembering what you were taught. Don't cram mathematics. Now, you guys, when you have to study hard, you have to study. It seems like we have to meet the whole week. Because you guys, you're not studying. We have to sacrifice time, by the way, and make sure that we are remunerating mathematics. So first of all, we'll write that 300 and what? 24 here. And we divide by what? By 2. When we divide by 2, what do we get?
One 162.
162. Again, this 162, it can be divided by 2. Is that so? Then we get what?
81.
Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Karabo,
Yes, Linabon.
okay. So, but 81 here divide wanga 2. Aye. Yeah, nati.
No.
So 81 divided by 3?
The 27.
27. And 27 can be divided by 3 again. Eh?
Yeah.
We get 9. 9 can be divided by 3. We get what? 3. 3 can be divided by 3. We get 1. Yes, at the end we must get 1. So, in other words, our 324 can be written in what? in 2 to the power. How many prime numbers do we have of 2? Is 2, right? Times 3. How many 3 do we have? 4.
To the power of 2. Oh,
3.
Oh, 4.
Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count 2. 1, 2. And we're done. We go to 2.2. So they say now determine the square root of what? 324. This is equals to what? The square root of what? Of 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of what? Of 4. Which is nothing but what? Is the same as square root of 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by what? Square root of 3 to the power of 4. Where this one is 2 multiplied by this one is 3 to the power of 2. Then you get what? 18.
18.
Are we remunerating? Are we on the same side?
Yeah.
Then we proceed.
Yeah.
Is these things new to you guys?
Hi.
Okay. Karabo, is it new?
No.
Okay. Let's go to the next question. You agree with us that we can move, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Zivani Richard
What wrote?
Kunaiza mtanga. Tuzilandi kunicheka atinete mbili. Is the question visible?
Hi.
Iko bonara na. Visible kwamba bonara. Iko bonara.
Yeah.
Someone who said Zivani iko bonara.
Iko wana.
Okay. Okay. Let's push. They said what? Consider the expression below and then answer the questions that follow. They said that 9 plus 8x to the power 5 minus x to the power 3 minus 4x, right? They said rewrite the expression in descending, 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 descending. Remember mina be descending karab.
Zambari number of bakatu. Ubakatu kuyara kakulane.
Bangare ascending in.
Ubakakulano yakatuku.
Ubvakakurwa yakatuku zviri zvibonanga mine izvi zvithu rizvibonanga uri rimbo dhiri hela nomboro hela imwe ritomakadza rina exponent chiurwane ende ndi 8 rina exponent chiurwane ratovera ngaine yako itovere rina exponent chituku chimwe ndi 3 chimwe exponent ndi x to the power 1 akonosara constant remwara ngachidescending rote. Happy, how many terms are there in the expression? Aradzivare 1, 2, 3, 4. Jambora, how many terms? 4. Zonzo ndi maragazoto dzamahara. Then have me vari. What is the what? Coefficient of what? Aripe una rime coefficient ya x cube ndimi. Una Rene? It's one.
Yeah.
Hey, not of Umra.
Why?
Coefficient ya x cube undi bugai. Yeah?
Atikudziwa.
Aiwa, no,
Atikudziwa.
no, sifunze zvitu nezvazvo ndinazvo futi kanotsi dzanga futi.
The negative answer the -5.
-5. Coefficient ndichiti chine chavatsine naye icho chiti choambiwawo. Regenamini na sign yayo. Rotary. So let's go to 7.4. Have to determine the value of the expression if x is equal to what? Zomboro budzorina x rokopangara mini? -1. Apa kopiatorera ko karabo calculate. Then plus Nigeria. Then Rawana me. Rote arptes.
Answer around the 19.
No, 19. Ah. Ah. Oh, what? Anokupedza kuti.
Nanda wana 10.
Nanda wana 10. And then arupedza nani?
Answer around the 8. On the 10.
Don't say ini namun. What do
Yes.
you mean, guys?
The calculator later no pressure mistake, no pressure mistake.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, Gushi. We can proceed. Is that so?
Yeah.
Is those things difficult? Let's be honest.
As you come the
Ungabeto number dokonda kumuntu. Abeni sokotenda vyokaranisa kumfari. Ichivi sokotenda muntu sakomufu. Yeah, there we go. Same question but different expression. Is that so? But if in descending order, we're going to have what? Arif and Dan.
descending order the one chikono wana zvavudi.
Don't worry. Then I choose. I will zoom it until you see.
Okay.
Don't worry, my friend.
Nice one.
Today I'm with you. Nabat panjima so abakobona vachikobona ngamanda. Okay.
And kona one.
Okay. 7.1.
The 3x to the power of 2.
Do you know that this is x to the power of 3? So why are you starting with x to the power of 2 while we've got 3 to the x to the power of 3?
4x to the power of 3.
You said what?
4x to the power of 3.
Why are we starting with 4x to the power of 3? Where did you left this negative?
Hmm.
It will mean Loporan Mike is 1. It will minus 4x to the power of 3. Not 4x regional sign here, you think?
Eh.
Yeah, it's up on the enemy.
Okay.
3x to the power of 2.
Plus, in here, what's the sign? Why? Plus 3x to the power of 2. Yeah, me.
Negative 4x
Negative 4x, yeah, me.
plus 9.
Plus Nigeria. Perfect. So, Happy, how many terms are there in the expression? How many are they? Risizivara, ndingane is like terms zote with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ndingane.
4. 4.
4.
0.
Then they said, what is the coefficient of x squared? Sina x squared uzurami
Odura 3.
3. They said determine the value of expression if x equals to -1. Jambo uzurone x. The copangana -1. Raputedza calculate. Zvino nipotedzewo zvakukuma ndani.
Okay.
Kupela mwaneshi.
Okay. Answer on the 20.
All of you get 20.
Yes.
So let's talk. What is difficult there? Hmm? Guys, what is difficult?
Hana chitu chinokombetedza uri pedzi kufuna uita shipping out uita meds and uita. Yeah, 10.
Yeah, you're trying to speak Chivenda, ne? Kudara.
Ekadiza zvitukutuku.
So let's bring another question which is similar to what we are doing and remunerate and see what is cooking after baking. You can find that it's roasting or noise. Why am I doing this? We want to make sure that you are not claiming. You are knowing those things. Are we good? So claim is a sin. And then can you see the equation of should I zoom it? Is it fine now?
I can see.
Yeah, it's up.
Okay. So let's remunerate this. Karabo, you're quiet. Okumula someone and I quit as sitting. And I got Dora Vasilina to the Karabo, we're on you now. We're on you. The first question says what?
First question is how many terms are there in the expression above?
And you found how many?
4.
Find 4. Good. They say what is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of x?
I see 75xy. 75x. I
You
see.
can say x again when they need the coefficient of it.
Oh, it's the 75.
Now, You take everything that surround X and multiply them. Did you get it? So rea
Kamera
rea ratuta X. Apo ratuta X rosara nami.
why?
Awa bafana. Shita. Rosara na 75 Y.
Oh, it's sorry.
We're left with 75Y. Roteros bonati.
Eh,
Then that's what is the degree of the expression in X. So how do we find the degree? They say expression in what? In X. How do we find the degree?
oh. Yeah.
How do we find the
Kadi
degree? Anyone who can try? Degree Rwana guy.
asi kadi try mara asi negative like kadi X are Genesis negative what?
No. Degree Rwana ka X yowaro exponent chubani.
Okay.
That's how we find the what? The degree. Roteresha apudi. Namto numbers so before reach dana question in one.
Oi.
Not a number zizo.
Zizo relax. Only number 6.1.3 chief is like good.
In other words, nikoya na ja exponent cha X chiwane. Ndiyo na degree.
Oh,
Unaipesesa?
ndo emphasis.
Yeah, ndinyi mwara number zisaba. Namtu mwasa mwapesesa ozeramba.
And offices.
Due to time, you can ask questions now. It's your turn to ask questions. And you tell me again, tomorrow you're free from what time?
And the free nga 4 o'clock. Must yeah.
Nga phone, nothing up phone done free. Let's confirm.
Yeah.
Sarabo,
Yeah, I'm free.
it means today let's stop here, then tomorrow we start from 4 o'clock.